everyone, welcome to Cosmic Kids. I'm Jamie and this is your place for yoga, stories and fun. It's easy. Just copy the moves I do and enjoy the adventure. Now we always start in the same way, and that's by sitting on our bottoms, crossing our legs and bringing our hands together at our heart and saying our secret yoga code word, which is Namaste. Ready? After 3. 1, 2, 3. Namaste. There. Now let's have a look through our cosminoculars and find out who we're meeting today. Joining your thumbs and fingers together, have a look through. Oh, look at that. I love all the shapes and the colours spinning around and around. Oh, it's so pretty. Can you see the picture? Yes, look. It's a banana. It's Betsy the Banana. Oh, what's Betsy doing? She's doing yoga. She's doing monkey jumps. Oh, wonderful, Betsy the Banana. Now, can you see Betsy is in banana pose, coming up to stand. Take your feet together, your hands above your head, and take yourself into a banana pose, leaning over one way and leaning over the other way. Now, Betsy the Banana lives in a fruit bowl. Coming down onto your belly, take your feet towards your bottom and reach around to catch your feet. Then lift yourself up, making yourself into a bowl shape. Well done, everyone. Now, Betsy the Banana lives in her fruit bowl with her bunch, her family, along with lots of other different fruits. And one sunny morning, she woke up to a surprise. Coming up to sit, crossing your legs, on the edge of Betsy's fruit bowl was a butterfly. Joining the soles of your feet together, hold onto your ankles and flutter your butterfly wings. Yes, well done, everyone. The butterfly was looking at Betsy the Banana and it said, "Banana stay, Betsy. I am the butterfly of wishes and you have been granted 3. Betsy the Banana, your wish is my command." And the butterfly stands up. It takes 1 foot forward and it bows very deeply to Betsy the Banana. Betsy, in her banana pose, feet together, hands above your head, leaning over one way in banana pose, can't quite believe what she's just heard. The butterfly of wishes is granting me 3. Oh, maybe this is a dream. But quite a good dream, so I might as well go along with it. Oh, I'd really like, for my first wish, to be a ballerina. The butterfly of wishes gets ready, sitting down on your bottoms again, joining the soles of your feet together. She flutters her butterfly wings and then she sprinkles Betsy with something very sparkly and exciting. And in the blink of an eye, Betsy finds herself standing on a stage. She is a real-life ballerina banana. She's got pointy toes, doo-doo, doo-doo, doo-doo. She can jump, boing, 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 and she can twirl. Whee! Well done, everyone. Betsy points her toe and takes a great big bow at the end of the music. And as she stands up, she finds that she's back in her bunch, in her fruit bowl, coming into your banana pose on the other side. That was amazing, Butterfly of Wishes. Thanks very much. Now my second wish, I wish to ride a bicycle. The Butterfly of Wishes gets ready, sitting on your bottoms, joining the soles of your feet together. Flutter your wings. The Butterfly of Wishes sprinkles Betsy with her lovely sparkly stuff. And then Betsy is pedalling a bicycle. Lying on your backs, everybody. Crisscross your fingers behind your head and lift up your feet. Betsy's pedalling away on her bicycle, going up hills very slowly and then down hills very fast. She goes round a wiggly road and, goodness me, round another wiggly road. She goes over bridges, coming up to sit. Bend your knees, feet flat, hands behind you, lift up into a bridge pose. And she goes over bumps, lying on your backs, take your arms wide and lift your legs up straight and hop, bumping up. Now, Betsy even goes past a bus. Take your legs out long and all the passengers on the bus twist to look out the window with their mouths open. They are in disbelief at seeing a banana riding a bicycle. Uh-oh, in the sky there's a bird and it's spotted Betsy the banana and quite fancies having a banana for its breakfast. Coming up to stand. Take your arms down low. It starts to fly and swoop down. Lift and lower your wings and bend your knees at the same time. Bananas for breakfast. Betsy the banana pedals very fast on her bicycle. Lying on your backs again, everyone. Crisscross your fingers behind your head and pedal, pedal, pedal. She pedals as fast as she can, but she pedals down the bank of a river and lands with a splash in the river. Coming up to sit, hold your knees, tuck your chin, ready? Rock and roll. And again, rock and roll. Betsy the banana comes up for air, breathing in on your knees, lifting up and lower down. But when she gets to the top, she finds she's not in the river anymore. She's back in her fruit bowl as a banana. Lifting your hands above your head and take them over to one side. Wow, that was an adventure. Being eaten by a bird would have been bad. Luckily, the butterfly of wishes still has one wish to grant Betsy. Betsy thinks, I know. I wish for me and for my bunch to have a birthday party. Sitting down on your bottoms, the butterfly of wishes gets ready. Joining the soles of your feet together, she flutters her butterfly wings and she sprinkles Betsy with that lovely sparkly stuff that does the magic. And bing! The next thing Betsy knows, along with her bunch, she is bouncing on a bounce house. Coming up to stand. Ready? Boing, 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 boing. She's having a birthday party. There are balloons to blow up. Taking your hands around your mouth, blow them up. And she has a birthday cake with candles on it. Lying on your back, take your arms wide and lift your legs, coming into candle pose. Betsy and her bunch blow out all of their special candles. Betsy sits up to breathe in this amazing feeling. She closes her eyes and breathes deeply. What an amazing, amazing day. As she opens her eyes, she finds she's back in the kitchen, in her fruit bowl, coming onto your tummy again. Bring your feet to your bottom, reach around for your feet and lift yourself up into your bowl pose. Well done, everyone. And along with her are her bunch, who are a very happy bunch now after having so much fun at the birthday party. Now, we take ourselves down for a little rest after all of that excitement with Betsy the banana, lying on our backs, getting ourselves comfy, and just for a moment, thinking about all of those wishes that Betsy made. And what would our wishes be? We may make wishes for ourselves, but if we have the chance, just like Betsy, we might make a wish for others too, as Betsy did for her family, her bunch. See if you can think of someone and send them a wish. A wish for them to be happy, for them to have fun, for them to find a peaceful place. Send your happy wishes now. And then slowly start to wiggle your fingers and your toes. Bring your knees into your chest and roll over onto your side, coming up to sit with your legs crossed and your hands together at your heart. And we'll finish with a special secret yoga code word just for Betsy. Do you remember? Banana stay. Ready? After 3. 1, 2, 3. Banana stay. There. Well done, everyone. You did so well being Betsy the Banana. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you come back soon for another Cosmic Kids adventure. Bye-bye.